Steven's special. We have chocolate. Dark chocolate have marshmallows, 2 liters. Chocolate milk, 2 liters. What you do is break up the chocolate and then put it in a bowl and then let it melt a bit. So everyone, as you can see, I am breaking up the chocolate. If we then put that in the microwave a little bit to melt, not completely, just a little bit, and then what you do is put marshmallows in there and let that melt a bit, stir that. Then what you do is put a little bit of milk in, a little bit of chocolate milk, put it in a bit more longer, stir it, then put it in the fridge for about a whole night. And then by the next morning it should be set. Turn it out, just let that melt a little bit, then put marshmallows in it and let that melt a little bit more. And then put milk and chocolate milk in the stir. So everyone, I have melted the chocolate a little bit. It doesn't matter if you get still quite a bit hard pieces, at least you melted a bit. So what you need to do then is you need to put some marshmallows in it. I'm going to stir it around, make sure chocolate goes on it. And then you're going to melt it a little bit, get marshmallows and everything all melted. And what you're going to do is then put a little bit of chocolate milk and then plain milk in. And then you stir it up, a little bit of marshmallows in a bit more, put it in the microwave for a bit more longer. And then you see it in the fridge. And that is a delicious dessert you can have after dinner. So I have stirred this in, mixed this in. I have tried it. Now what I want to do is put a little bit of milk in. In more. Oh, probably a bit too much, but whatevs. There's not enough marshmallows in the world, so it doesn't matter if I put in a bit too much. And then put it in the microwave, let that melt. Then wrap it up in tin foil, put it in the fridge for at least overnight. Check it in the morning. It should be set in the morning. If it's not set, leave it for the day. And by night time, tomorrow night, it should be set. But I'm sure it will be set by tomorrow morning. And that's the end of our cooking class. Please like, comment and subscribe. So everyone, I have done everything I need to do. I just melted chocolate, melted marshmallows, and I put chocolate, milk and stuff. This is the finished product, a dessert. And I am happy with the result. So what I do next is get foil and then put it over the top. Careful because the bottom is going to be hot. But because I'm an experienced chef, I don't need to be careful of the bottom. And then we have room in there. Let's put it and then stay in there for a whole night. If it's not set by tomorrow, please leave it in there till tomorrow night. Thank you for watching. So guys, a few hours after I made it, it was already set, but I decided to leave it in the fridge overnight and then eat it the next day.